What's the meaning of bombsight? Bombsight. Bombsight.
Bombsight. Bombsight. A bombsight is an optical device used to assist in the precise delivery of bombs from aircraft. It allows the user to calculate the exact point of impact for a bomb by measuring factors such as altitude, airspeed, and wind speed. By using a bombsight, bomber crews can increase their accuracy and effectiveness in hitting targets. The result is the ability to more effectively destroy enemy targets during aerial bombing campaigns, which can have a significant impact on the outcome of military conflicts.